Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the exact text or text range you want to become a link. Once selected, press Ctrl or Command plus K, or click the small link icon in the text panel on the right. Then paste the full URL or type the name of a frame if you want an internal jump. This approach preserves typography and keeps the link editable. Make sure the layer is actual text and not an outline, because only live text accepts links in Figma. Once you add the URL or choose a frame, set how it behaves. For external links, tick Open in New tab so users don't lose the prototype. For internal links, pick the target frame from the autocomplete list. If you need hotspots or buttons rather than linked text, switch to prototype mode and drag an interaction handle from the object to a frame, then choose Navigate to. This gives you transitions and destination control, so make sure you pick the right interaction type for the user flow. Finish by testing in present mode or by copying a prototype link and opening it in a browser to confirm behavior. If the link doesn't attach, make sure the layer is live text and not converted to outlines or flattened into an image. Convert back to editable text or recreate the text layer. Also verify sharing permissions. If viewers can't access the file, they won't be able to use the link. If something still fails, recreate the text layer and reapply the link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.